In the middle of the jungle, everything was calm. The sun shone golden between the tall trees. Mowgli sat on a stone, his friends Balu the bear and Bagheera the panther close by. But then the sky began to change. Dark clouds rolled across the orange sunset. From far away, a storm of black wings filled the sky. Crows with burning red eyes came closer and closer. The first attack failed quickly. The giant bird swooped down, claws sharp, wings loud like thunder. Balu raised his arm. Bagheera leaped to strike, and the animals of the forest ran for cover. Then, upon a dead tree, a leader appeared, a crow larger than a tiger, with eyes like fire and a beak of steel. Its army screamed and tore at the forest, stealing food, breaking branches, and chasing frightened creatures. Mowgli climbed a great banyan tree. Around his neck, his golden locket began to glow brighter. He felt deep in his heart that running away would not save them. The jungle was his home, and he must protect it. The crow leader stuck, wings spread wide like a black curtain, but as the monster dove, golden rays filled the air, and the crows screamed in pain. The creatures of the jungle gasped with hope. For the first time, the black wings turned back into the clouds. Yet fear still ruled. Everywhere animals hid, deer under bushes, rabbit in holes, monkey in trees. Balu sheltered the little ones under his warm fur. Bagheera fought in the branches, scattering feathers with his claws. The parrot flew down through smoke, warning that the crow leader wished to rule forever. Soon the ground itself trembled. A black army of crows marched across the jungle floor, claws shaking the earth. But Mowgli stood tall upon a fallen tree, his locket shining like a star. Animals began to gather, weak but ready, answering his call to fight together. The battle grew fierce. Bagheera slashed, Balu swiped, and even Mowgli swung from vines to strike. Clouds covered the moon, only the locket's light stood against the darkness. The crow leader spread his wings, and magic filled the sky. The crows grew larger, stronger. Balu roared but was wounded. His fur stained red. Bagheera leaped at the leader, claw against beak, but was struck down hard against a tree. Fire sparked from lightning, and the jungle began to burn. The locket glowed, drinking in the flames until it blazed like the sun itself. Golden firelight swept through the army, turning black wings to ash. The leader screamed as his feathers burned, but he was not finished. Mowgli's heart filled with fury and love for his home. The locket answered, wrapping him in golden fire. Light clashed with the storm, brighter than the moon, stronger than the clouds. The fire spread, the locket blazed, and the black wings weakened. At last, the crow leader staggered, feathers falling, wings broken. Mowgli raised the locket high. A final beam of light shot out, brighter than the sun. Darkness exploded and was gone. And when morning came, golden rays returned to the jungle. Mowgli walked beside Balu and Bagheera, his locket glowing softly. Peace was born again. Please subscribe Zune TV for interesting videos and like this video. Nice to meet you in next video with interesting story.